Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zoom recording, whether you're clearing up space or removing outdated content. This straightforward process will help you manage your recordings efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools and settings for managing your Zoom meetings and recordings. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll see various menu options for managing different aspects of your Zoom account. Click on Recordings. This section houses all the recordings you've made during your Zoom meetings, whether they're stored locally on your computer or in the cloud. Once you're in the Recordings section, navigate to Computer Recordings. This tab displays all the recordings that have been saved directly to your computer rather than to Zoom's cloud storage. If you've upgraded your Zoom account to include cloud storage, you can also browse your files in Cloud Recordings by clicking that tab instead. The process for deleting recordings is similar in both locations, so choose whichever tab contains the recording you want to remove. Now, it's time to locate the specific recording you want to delete. Scroll through the list in the Computer Recordings tab until you find the recording name you're looking for. Zoom typically labels recordings with the meeting title and date, making them easier to identify. Once you've found the right recording, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a delete button next to that recording. Go ahead and click it. After clicking delete, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Zoom's way of making sure you really want to remove the recording, as this action cannot be undone. The confirmation prompt will give you the option to proceed or cancel. Click Remove selected from the list to finalize the deletion. Your recording will be permanently removed from your list, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Zoom recording and freed up space in your account. This simple process helps you keep your recordings organized and ensures you only keep the content that matters most. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.